Welcome to Sewing Basics! Chain stitch.
In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the chain stitch. This stitch is a bit complicated as there's a couple different steps to it. First, you're going to come up and back down, making sure that you leave a loop of thread. Next, you're going to start the second stitch by coming up in the very middle of that loop. You may pull it tight. To begin the next stitch, I'm going to rotate my embroidery hoop as it is more comfortable to show you this method. You're going to go back inside the loop and come up for the next stitch. Now, you're going to take the thread and wrap it around the needle. This is going to create interlocking chains for the chain stitch. Once you pull that thread through, you're going to see one chain within the other. I'm going to do that again. So you're going to go in the loop, come up for the second stitch, take your thread around the needle, and pull your needle through, securing the chain together. To finish a chain stitch, you're simply going to poke your needle right on the edge of that last loop back down into your thread, and this will secure the chain from coming unraveled. Happy sewing!